Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, independent, local, and long distance movers near me. 3 Movers is available for your move as a trusted local moving company in Independence. With 3 Movers, we ensure that our customers' belongings are in safe hands and we take proper inventory of the products being moved. Because of this, we pay close attention to all the belongings and ensure that none are misplaced. With our track record, you should trust us with your belongings and you don't have to worry about a thing when we're handling your move. We would also label each of the boxes so there would be no case of missing items. At 3 Movers, our expertise extends beyond handling local or short distance moves within Independence. We also excel at long distance moves to locations outside the state and beyond the country. So if you're moving to Independence, you should hire us and we will handle the rest for you. Moving long distances is intricate and you'll need a professional's help to plan your move correctly. By doing this, you don't have to experience any of the stress of sorting your belongings, loading them into the moving truck, transporting them, and so much more. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Independence Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.